How's it going, guys? Viking PT here, and today we're starting a brand new series called Viking in the Kitchen, where I'm going to be showing you some recipes to make your healthy eating quick and easy. Today we're going to be making my easy go-to berry protein smoothie, something you can have after your workout. So what you're going to need is protein powder. I use vanilla because it goes really well. Some frozen berries, about 250 ml of water, and a blender. Okay, so start things off. Water going straight in. Next we're going to put 2 handfuls of berries. I'm going to put 1 handful of raspberries and 1 handful of mixed berries. Next up, you're going to get 2 scoops of protein powder. Remember, if you're only making this for one, just use 1 scoop. Now, shut the lid on, make sure it's nice and secure, and blend. Get this out of the way. Now, if you wanted a more thicker texture, then you could just have less water. And of course, we're going to be using metal straws because we're trying to help the environment and we're trying to use less single-use plastic. And there we have it, my easy go-to berry protein smoothie for after your workout. Skål. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you found it helpful, don't forget to pulverize that like button and subscribe to the channel so you get notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Berry protein smoothie for post-workout.